In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make an org chart in Google Sheets. Clearly explained. Start by opening Google Sheets and going into a blank spreadsheet. You can use a new file or an existing one, but a blank sheet makes it easier to see what is happening as we build the chart. Once you are in the spreadsheet, look at the top menu and click Insert. This is where Google Sheets keeps tools for adding things like images, drawings, and charts. From the Insert menu, click Chart. Sheets will place a chart onto your sheet and also open the chart editor, usually on the right side. At first, the chart type might not be what you need. To change it, click the chart type dropdown where it currently shows something like a column chart. Then choose the column chart option that appears in the list. This action is important because it opens the chart type menu that you will use to switch formats as you customize the chart. Next, click the highlight option in the chart settings area. Think of this as selecting or activating the part of the setup you want to edit. Now click Add ID. This is where you define the unique identifier for each person or role in your organization. Each entry needs its own ID so the chart can place each box correctly. After you click Add ID, click the highlight option again to confirm the correct selection, and then click OK to apply it. After that, click Add Parent. The parent field tells Google Sheets who each person reports to, which is what creates the hierarchy in an org chart. When you click Add Parent, click Highlight to select the right reference, then click Highlight once more as needed to confirm the correct option is active. Finally, click OK to apply the parent relationship. At this point, your chart setup includes both the ID and the parent structure, which are the key pieces for an organizational chart layout. If something looks off, it usually means the wrong field was highlighted before pressing OK, so repeat the highlight and confirm steps carefully. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.